Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Sorry for the long pause guys, but I'm back now. And today, let's learn how to make this super cute crochet scrunchies. And all we need is wool thread, 5mm hook, elastic hairbands. Make sure to get the same color elastic hairband as your wool so it won't show any difference. You can start off by making single crochets around the elastic band. Please do knit as much single crochets as you can because it will help you get the scrunchie pattern in the end. Once you are done, slip stitch and make 2 chains. You can start doing double crochets on each of the stitch you see. If you want a more ruffed pattern, you can do 2 double crochets on a single stitch. Once done, strip stitch and fasten off the thread. And we are done! Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for the support guys. See you on the next video. Bye.